The Delta Tau Data System 602415-102 pmac ultralite PCB is a PC-based control system which can be used for a wide variety of operations. These particular units are used in a large semiconductor facility on one of their tools. In order to fully test these complex systems, we designed a whole system using motor controllers to show we could run a full control loop with the system. The video shows the software, most of it designed in-house, which is used to control the attached servo motor. The actual board is in the middle of the screen, and it is attached to another board via Ethernet, which actually has a lot of the I/O. At ERD, we are able to fully simulate most products and achieve a 100% test of the product, but development can take some time. The overall time from when these items came in to the full developed test was 4 weeks instead of our usual 3-week turnaround.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.